What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to be removing these wiper arms from this 2008 Mazda 3 to repaint them. We're going to be using this flathead screwdriver to remove this cap off the nut. And you're going to need a 12mm socket to remove the nut. In order to remove the driver's side wiper arm, you're going to have to raise the hood. You're going to raise the wiper arm up and then wiggle it around to get it loose. Then it should just pull right up. And then repeat the steps for the passenger side. So you're going to want to remove your wiper blades from the wiper arm. I found something to hang my wiper arm on, and then I used 2 coats of flat black paint with primer, followed by 2 coats of clear. To reinstall the wiper arms, it's just the reverse order of taking them off. You want to try to put your wiper arms in the same spot that they were. To do this, some people put tape on the windshield to mark where the wiper blades were when they took them off. Now, I did not do that because my spots were already marked by dirt line or a dust line from the wiper blades from where they were previously. Once you have your wiper arm back in place, you can go ahead and put the nut on and tighten it, followed by the caps. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't already, consider subscribing.